Thutha wa uthuthuria wa mwiri wa Muigai gutabanio, muthuthuria wa mere Peter Ndegwa oigite rithathi iria yamuragire Sylvester Muigai yaingirire iguru wa ritho riake ria umotho na ndiaumire na thutha wa mutwe wake. Ndegwa augite rithathi iyo iria yakwamire mutwe ni yathukirie na gikiro kinene hakiri, undu uria wacungiriirie kura muno na muthia gikuo.
And we have conclusively carried out the autopsy of the deceased. The late young man is actually a teenager, and we have seen that he was shot on the head, just single bullet, with an entrance on the left, just above the left eye, and the bullet went in through the head, inside the head, and lodged somewhere at the right back of the head. So the bullet was lodged there. We have recovered it. It had not exited, and we have given it to the relevant authorities for ballistics. So the brain, there was a lot of bleeding in the brain, and also you can imagine the amount of destruction of the brain when the bullet was going through there. So the cause of death is head injuries due to a single gunshot.
Ni undu ututhurite kieha ona makiria kuri nyina uria ugite muruwe aratho erirwo ni ihiga ria muringa nginya agikua no riu akauga wira ni wonekete na kuga ni mekuruira kihoto giake.
And it's clear that the young gentleman, a 17-year-old, lost his life as a result of a gunshot to the head. I mean, you're wondering if this regime is running a police service or a militia. How does a 17-year-old boy, a secondary school student, gets shot by the police? You know, the police ideally should provide security to protesters. But now what you're seeing is now this police themselves are becoming security to protesters. So we are wondering who is going to defend us? Who is going to defend Kenyans if you see 17-year-olds being shot by the police?
Nyina wa Muigai ni okiriire thirikari ni kuhuthira hinya mukiruku agiteterithia ati muruwe ndari na mahitia makinyeirie kuragwo. Ahuraniri a ihoto cia umundu ona no makomithitie giko giki makiuria ruhonge rwa guthuthuria murutire wa wira wa maabitha a borithi IPOA rwike mituki guthuthuria gikuo gia Sylvester kuona riu rithathi ino ni rutitwo na makaneyo kumateithiriria uthuthuria-ini wao.
Mimi nataka haki ya mtoto wangu. Mimi nimelea huyo mtoto wangu kutoka akiwa mdogo. Mimi nataka haki na mimi nafua nguo za wamama. Hata nafikiriwa nikifua hizo nguo nisomeshe watoto wangu wakule. Au mtu mwingine anakuja tu anachuti. Angemchapa ama amfunja mguu nifurutage mtoto wangu na uruchea. Mimi nataka haki ya mtoto wangu. Mimi nataka haki. Hakuna kitu kingine nataka. Mimi nataka haki ya mtoto wangu. Sylvester Muigai. Mimi nataka Thingitho Secondary. Mimi nataka haki.
Mwiri wa Sylvester Muigai ukahurukio itura-ini ria Kaiti mwena wa Malmanet muthi wa gatano kiumia giki. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma guku kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, ritwa riakwa ni Paul Mwaniki.